Finding the distance between 2 points. Today, we're solving a classic math problem, finding the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. Let's dive in. We're given 2 points, A at 34 and B at 21. Our goal is to determine the distance between them. To visualize the problem, let's plot these points on a coordinate plane. We connect A and B with a line segment. Now, let's apply the distance formula. The distance formula is given by d equals sqrt x squared plus y squared, where x, y and x, y are the coordinates of the 2 points. Substituting our values, we get d equals sqrt 3 plus 1 4, which simplifies to d equals sqrt 5 squared plus 3 squared. D equals sqrt 25 9, d equals sqrt 34. So, the distance between A and B is sqrt 34.